What's going on, YouTube? This is Motivation 3 back at you with another installment. It's nice and sunny out right now, but it's not going to be later. About an 80% chance of rain. So today we'll be in the car again. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. I wanted to give a short little vlog about what we got going on here in the near future. First of all, I probably will be doing a part 1, 2, and 3 of the G-Haul ride we did last weekend. Some guys were telling me they wanted to see the whole ride, so in order to get it out there, I'd probably have to do it in at least 3 parts. Like I said, it's 2 hours, about 2 hours worth of footage, and that's a lot of footage to have to try to set there. And if you ever put a video on YouTube of any kind of distance or length, it takes a while, even if you got really good internet connection. So that'll probably be coming in the next few days. So look forward to that, guys. Like I said, it'll be the same content, it's just uncut. Also, fiance, I don't know if she's with it or not, but we're going to do a build series on the 2019 Honda Grom. I wanted to do a big bore kit, but I don't think I can talk her into letting me do a big bore kit on the Honda Grom. It'd be fun. It'd be awesome to do, but yeah, I don't think she's really into that. So we'll probably just start off with. She wasn't really happy with the color of the Grom. She didn't want red, and when she got it, all she could get was a red or orange, in this area of the state. So she went with the red. She would actually had to wait a few hours on the orange anyway, and she didn't want to wait. She was pretty excited. So that's what we did. We got that red one. So I think she wants to do a teal, maybe. Trying to change her mind on that because I still want to ride it. And teal just doesn't look very masculine when you're riding around on it. Also, we'll do a fender eliminator kit. We'll do a integrated tail light, and we'll probably do flush mounts on the front. So I'm probably gonna have to order it myself. Love you, baby, but maybe she'll let me. If she don't, I'm gonna order it anyway. And then if she will let me do it, I'll probably get a slip-on exhaust. And it's another thing, she's not really into performance. She doesn't really care to make it louder, but I just feel like it'd make it look so much better, and she'd probably fall in love with a nice little slip-on on the side of that thing. So there we go with the Honda Grom. That's something to look forward to. That'll be a parts series also. And some of it may be in the same part, because it's easier to do when you got it apart. But we'll probably do, looks like it'll probably be a 3-part series on the Honda Grom. And we'll probably do some more Camaro content. As you can see, I'm in the Camaro today. I think I'm going to go with a performance exhaust from General Motors. I think it adds maybe 5 horsepower to the car. Maybe the local dealership will let me come in here and film the actual application of the exhaust. If not, you'll get a before and after, and that's about it. But we'll see. They may be hip to that. And also, I'm going to be doing a cold air intake from General Motors. That thing is supposed to liven it up anywhere from 15 to 25 horsepower. So you're looking at maybe 35 added horsepower to this car, already 455 from the stock. So that puts it on up there close to 500. I'm not sure what the torque will be. The torque will probably be a little lower than that, but we'll see. That's just a couple things we got going on in the next few days, guys. Also, don't forget about the motorcycle giveaway. I'm dead serious about it. I'll be going to the dealership here in the next few days, looking at trying to find maybe a pre-owned motorcycle, so we can go ahead and get it, and we can maybe get this thing started. Even though our subscriber count is not exactly where it needs to be, we can get it there, but we need to go ahead and have the motorcycle. And then maybe that'll give y'all some incentive to go ahead and subscribe if you've just been watching and not subscribed. So that's about it, guys. I'm here at work. I'm gonna let y'all go. I don't want to be vlogging on the company property at all. I don't know how they'd feel about it. But if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that bell notification when we do upload that content. But anyway, guys, y'all have a nice day. Peace out.
Yeah, we are in the place to be. Yeah.